The monitors have not been as lively as this year for a long time. The prices of mini LED monitors and OLED monitors have finally changed from being out of reach to within reach today. However, at present, I personally recommend professional users to purchase OLED monitors. On the one hand, the price is still a bit expensive, and it cannot be settled without more than $1,000. On the other hand, the game parameters are not enough and the current refresh rate generally stays at 60 Hz. On the other hand, the price-performance ratio of mini LED monitors is too high. For gamers, it is very suitable to buy a mini LED monitor at this time. Today I'm here to share with you the mini LED monitor I bought for about $290 recently, HKC PG271Q. The monitor is packaged in a color box, and the monitor looks very design-inspired from the packaging. The bracket adopts a tool-free installation design, and the base is fixed with a thumb screw. The entire assembly process is very simple. Although the bracket is covered with a plastic shell, the internal materials are very solid, and the weight of the whole machine is very solid. The bright white shell coating on the back of the monitor is delicate and skin-friendly without leaving fingerprints. With the specially designed delicate hinge, it gives people a full sense of future. The HKC PG271Q chocolate switch bracket is very special. Coupled with the design of the spherical hinge on the monitor, it has a very high degree of freedom of adjustment. In addition to the traditional up and down lifting, high and low pitch, left and right rotation, it can also move back and forth, almost equivalent to a monitor arm. Let players get the best vision and comfortable sitting posture no matter what sitting posture they use. The interface of PG271Q is equipped with a DP 1.4 interface, two HDMI 2.0 interfaces, and a 3.5mm audio interface. As a mini LED monitor, HKC PG271Q not only has 1000 nit peak brightness and HDR 1000 support, but also has extremely high panel quality. The official claims that this monitor has 100% sRGB, 99% Adobe RGB, 95% ECIP3 super wide color gamut coverage. The static contrast is 3000 by 1, and the contrast of the V8 panel itself is high. If HDR is turned on and the mini LED buff is superimposed, the static contrast can be even higher. The default white point is about 5600K, which is warmer. The backlight module of HKC PG271Q is composed of more than 1500 lamp beads. The division precision is as high as 384, and the light control precision is very high. This greatly improves the brightness uniformity of the panel. It can be seen that the maximum brightness difference of the monitor is only 6%, which is very good. The color performance of HKC PG271Q is enough to deal with some daily color work. Let's enjoy the actual color performance of this monitor. All the proofs shown have been calibrated with color cards without any additional processing. Please rest assured to eat. The biggest advantage of the mini LED monitor is the support of HDR 1000. PG271Q has 384 independent partitions, which are enough for watching movies or playing games. In order to let everyone feel the charm of mini LED more intuitively, a simple comparison is made with a monitor that supports HDR 400 with a normal backlight. It is self-evident that mini LED improves image quality, but for games, high refresh rate and extremely fast response are the last words. HKC PG271Q has a native 165 Hz refresh rate and rapid 1 millisecond response, which is quite obvious in the game. It can be seen that with the blessing of high refresh rate and extremely fast response, the large perspective changes and high-speed movement in the game, even if it is slowed down by 5 times, it is still clear and smooth, without sloppy water. I think HKC PG271Q is really a cost-effective gaming monitor. With a price of less than $289, you can get mini LED, HDR 1000, 165 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response delay, excellent color performance and full of details. In terms of workmanship and appearance, for players who want to try mini LED monitors, this HKC PG271Q may be a good choice. What do you think about the new monitor? Write your opinion. Thanks for watching and see you soon.